Hi everyone. So today's problem of the day is equal sum grid partition 1. So here comes like other matrix problem. We are already getting it from so many days. So we'll solve this. So what is given is like this is the medium problem. What is given is we have given the m cross n matrix grid of positive integers. Your task is to determine if it is possible to make either one horizontal or one vertical line on the grid such that each of the two resulting sections formed by the cut is non-empty. Section should be non-empty, or just sum hai of both the sections should be equal. So if there is a grid having some columns, suppose m rows, and there are m columns. So what we need to find? We need to find like if it is possible, if we can make one cut at vertical, either one cut at vertical or one cut at horizontal, and we can divide that into two portion, and the two portion sum should be equal. So understood, like we need to do this, and we'll understand this with the help of example. So example में अपन को grid दिया है. What is grid? 1, 4, 2 and 3. And we need to find key if it is possible to divide this matrix into two partition, and that if there is a partition, then two partition sum should be equal. So we will see how we can find this. So we will try to traverse from the starting. अपन starting से traverse करना start करेंगे. Like अपन सबसे पहले इस row में जाएंगे 1 and 4. The sum is like, sum is 5. And before that also we will try to calculate the total sum of the matrix. So starting will initialize it with 0, and we will try to find the sum of the matrix to 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3. So what is this? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the total sum is 10. So now what we will do, we will try to, we have two possible scenarios. अपन को वन हॉरिजॉन्टल कट या फिर वन वर्टिकल कट चलेगा. तो अपन सबसे पहले हॉरिजॉन्टल कट से ट्राई करते हैं कि अपन को सॉल्यूशन मिलता है या नहीं. If we will get solution from this, we will return, simply return, and we will not try with vertical. If we will not get the solution from horizontal cut, we will move to the vertical cut. सबसे पहले अपने पास ये एग्जाम्पल है 1, 4, 2, 3. सबसे पहले अपन फर्स्ट रो में गए 1, 4. कितना सम हुआ 5. And if you will see, the total sum is 10. So 5 is half. So if 5 is half, then the remaining will automatically will be 5 only. So basically we will try to find sum by 2 value. Here the sum by 2 value is 5. So will traverse from first row, but we got the sum 5. So we will validate this with the help of this sum. If that is equal to the sum by 2, our value of sum by 2 is 5. So if that value of sum is equals to this total sum divided by 2, then we got the answer and we simply can return the true. And अगर अपने केस में like यहाँ तो अपन को आ गया है and we can simply return the true, and it is given in the problem also that it is true. अगर अपन को suppose we will not get 5 from this, then what we can do after that, we can try to go through the second row. फिर ये second row का sum find करते हैं, and we will include this sum also. We will initialize our sum integer at the starting only, like sum row equals to 0. अपन ने ये वाला sum का वैल्यू फाइंड किया तो ये 5 आ गया. तो अगर 5 मैच नहीं किया तो अपन नेक्स्ट रो पे जाएंगे. And we will 5 we already got, then we will try to add 5 plus 2 plus 3, and there was 10. तो अपन अगर 5 से नहीं आता तो फिर अपन ये 10 देखते कि 10 अगर सम बाय 2 के इक्वल है या नहीं. ऐसे like simply we will traverse through all horizontal rows. तो अगर suppose we will not get it from horizontal rows, then we will try with vertical. Vertical में क्या करते हैं, first we will traverse through this column, then we will traverse through this column, and so on we can traverse from every column. So this is a simple problem. So if we will We'll move to the solution. तो solution में हमने क्या किया है कि अपन ने number of rows लिखे हैं and n is the number of rows and m is the number of columns. और अपन ने sum find करने का try किया है, like we will find the sum of the grid at the starting. तो अपन ने ये दो लूप लगाए हैं रो एंड कॉलम के लिए, and we will try to find the sum of the grid. After we got the sum of the grid, what we will do? We will do it with the modulo 2. अगर sum modulo 2 is equals to 1 आ गया, that means it is not divisible by 2, तो अपन simply false return कर देंगे. और अगर suppose कि equals to 0 आ गया, मतलब it is divisible by 2, तो we can get the integer from sum divided by 2. So we will do the sum equals to sum divided by 2. तो अभी अपना task क्या बचा कि अपन को after here our task is to find the one horizontal or one vertical cuts so that the sum of one part should be equals to sum. तो automatically जो other part होगा वो भी इसके इक्वल ही होगा. So तो अपन ने यहाँ पे log log x किया. We'll start from the horizontal rows. So यहाँ पे दो loops लगाए हैं n and m to n and m, and we will try to find the value for each row. After traversing from each row, we will try to get the we'll try to check it with the sum. अगर वो sum के equal है, then we can return the true. We will not traverse after this. अगर अपन suppose we will not get it from the horizontal cut, तो अपन vertical cut से start करते. तो अपन ने फिर से x को initialize किया 0 से, and we will try to find all the vertical values. अगर अपन को suppose अपन ने traverse किया, and after traversing like 1 to 2 vertical columns, we will get our value equals to sum. तो अपन वो रिटर्न कर देंगे, क्योंकि ऑटोमेटिकली अगर दो का वैल्यू सम है तो इसका वैल्यू भी सम के इक्वल ही होगा, because it is divisible by 2. So yeah, so if we will get the sum that all the grid value equals to sum, then we can return it true. Otherwise we can return it false, that we didn't get the answer. So अगर अपन यहाँ पे टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी की बात करेंगे तो टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी कितना होगा? यहाँ पे दो लूप लगाए गए हैं. साइड टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी विल बी n into m. And if we will talk about the space complexity, तो we have not used space complexity, like we only used integer value. So integer is like constant space. So time space complexity will be big of 1. So this is the time complexity and this is the space complexity. So yeah, that's it. It's like basically a simple problem only. So yeah, thank you.